The 5 whys technique is a simple but powerful tool. Helps to dig deeper into the problem to find the root causes and look for an opportunity to solve it. This technique was invented by Sakishi Toyoda, the Japanese industrialist and founder of Toyota Industries. He developed the 5 whys technique in 1930 and it became popular in 1970. This method is based on go and see philosophy. This means you need to get closer to the problem in order to find the hidden details, which will help you understand what is really happening on the ground, rather than what you or somebody thinks might be happening. The 5 whys process starts with identifying the problem, which we covered in the previous step. Then identify the causes of a problem by asking why did this happen. Then note them down in a diagram or table. For each of the causes you identified, once again ask, why did this happen? And identify their causes. Have you asked why to each problem 5 times or enough times to identify logical root causes? If yes, find solutions for each root cause identified. If no, return to the previous step. Here's an example for 5 whys on a single lane. Also, here's another example for 5 whys on a multiple lanes. To apply 5 whys in organization, you should start by assembling a team. Then define the problem. Ask the first why. Then ask why 4 more times. You need to know when to stop. Then address the root cause. After that, monitor your measures.